Alright, so welcome back to Monas. Been a while since our last video, but I thought I've been doing this, so I might as well share it. So this is my Mitsubishi L200. It's the 07 model, but old shape, K74. And I've been replacing the shock absorbers with these Profender ones I got off the internet. That's the old one. I just literally replaced this one in here. See? And these will provide a 55mm lift. So I hope. See, they're a bit bigger than the old shocks. Yep, quite straightforward to do. I'm only doing the rear ones for now. Well, because it's hot and I'm going somewhere, but I think tomorrow or on the weekend I'll be doing the front ones. Yeah, if I go around the other side, you'll see I got it all propped up on the axle stands. I've just taken off all these nuts. They were copper greased, so they came off quite easily. Okay. And there's the shock I'm undoing. So at the bottom is I think it's 17mm bolt, and at the top it's 15mm. There, and I've WD-40'd them, so they should come off quite easily. If you see from the other side, no, you can't see from that angle. Over there, you can see how it fits in. It's got the sock on it to protect it from dust and dirt. Speaking of which, this needs a clean urgently. But there's a bit of a drought, so we won't bother. So I'll go and get it. There's my 17mm, and it's up, yeah, 14mm socket. I'll bring the WD-40 with me as well. And I'll get the shock. Oh. Put them on there so it doesn't get stretched. So, I don't have my tripod on me, but I'll just start with loosening the top one in the bottom, or it doesn't really matter which way round, just as long as I get it off. So once I do that, I'll get back to you in a minute. So that took a bit longer than thought because the one bolt was seized, but I've got it off pretty well. Just undo them. It's always good to have some pots to put your nuts and bolts in. If all goes well, it should wiggle off. Okay. Oh. I need that. Unfortunately, the shocks didn't come with new washers, so I'll just clean it up with a wire brush and put it back on. That is so rusty. There you go. There's the old one. Delightful. I think they're on their way out anyway. What I'm going to do now is wire brush these and put, well, I'll rinse them in WD-40 now. Aim it. Okay. If I can get the other shock. Left on the tyre. I'll just end this clip so I can get the plastic strap off. Yep. Alright. I sort of forgot to record in between clips, but I've tightened that one on. And I'm having a bit of a problem because the bolt up there was, well, the nut was absolutely rusted up, so I thought I'd get a new one. And the old one won't go back on, and this one's a bit too chunky, so I'm gonna have to go back to the garage and hopefully there's a 14mm nut lying around. But quite happy how easy this one was. I'd imagine that the front ones will be a lot more difficult because these were only two bolts. But then again, I'm only using instructions. I'm not really a mechanic or done anything like this before, so yep. Yep, I'll end this clip here, get the bolts on, the nuts on, lower it back down and see how it looks.